First, we'll open the driver's side door. Right where you see the steering, underneath the steering is a hood latch that needs to be pulled out. Once the latch is pulled, you would notice the hood losing its grip. On top of the logo, there is a lever right there that we need to press and hold and then lift the hood upwards. This is that lever that I was talking about. Press and hold this lever towards the left side and then lift up the hood. Now we gently take the support bar and then place it in that hole right there. Once the hood is opened, right there is a headlight, and notice behind the headlight is the spot for the low beam bulb, and at the bottom is the location for the high beam bulb. We'll need to take out both of those covers one by one. We'll start with the low beam first. Grab the cover, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. There it is. Behind the cover, notice there's that bulb right there. Grab the bulb, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. You may need to wiggle a little bit until it completely pops out. There we got the bulb taken out. Now we need to take out the bulb from the plug itself. You see there are two tabs, one on the right and one on the left. We have to press and hold both of those tabs and then pull the bulb outwards. There it is, the bulb is taken out. In my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just never touch the glass portion with bare hands because our hands have some sort of oil. And if we end up touching the glass portion with bare hands, that oil will stay on the glass, and down the road while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Now to install the bulb inside the plug, notice there's a line coming out on the plug itself. Notice the bulb itself also has a line right there. Just remember, both of them need to be aligned to each other. Now we'll punch in the bulb inside the plug. Once the bulb is inside the plug, just press it down to a point until you hear a clicking sound. We punch in the bulb behind the headlight and make sure the bulb is completely in first. Once we make sure the bulb is completely in, only then we will turn it clockwise to install it firm and strong. There we got the bulb completely in. Now we will install the cover that we took out earlier. Notice the cover has some edges. Those edges are supposed to be aligned on the position of the headlight itself. Once those edges are aligned properly, then we will turn the cover clockwise to install it firm and strong. Just like that, the cover is completely in. Now a little ahead is the location for the high beam bulb. Again, we grab the cover, turn it counterclockwise and then pull it outwards. And notice this bulb is actually a little different from the first one that we took out. First, we take out the plug for the bulb. Just grab the plug and then pull it outwards. Plug is out. Now we'll just keep it on the side. Now you'll see a metal pin on top of the bulb right there. What you have to do is just press it from the bottom and then push it towards the right side. Just like that, you're supposed to take out the pin for the bulb. Once we got the pin pulled out, now we'll grab the bulb and then pull it outwards. There it is. Again, in my case, the bulb is good, so I'll be installing it back. But in your case, if you have a new bulb and you want to install it back, just avoid touching the glass portion with bare hands, because touching the glass with bare hand will end up leaving some sort of oil on it. And down the road, while the bulb is heated up, it's going to burn the bulb, and we are trying to avoid doing that here. Before installing the bulb, notice there is this one pointer coming out on the bulb itself, and that point actually has to go on top of the headlight right there. While looking at it from the front, it looks like letter D. Just make sure that pointer of the bulb goes on the top. It is a little tight spot right there, so you may have to work your way out until you're completely able to punch in the bulb. One more thing to pay attention, notice these two pins of the bulb are supposed to be straight, and in my case they are not, so I have to work my way out until I get them straight in position. There it is. After a little adjustment, the bulb is straight. Now we'll go ahead and punch in the pin. We got the pin also in place. Now it's the time to punch in the plug. Carefully place the plug inside those two pins and press them down until you hear a clicking sound. Once again, this cover also has some edges that has to be aligned with the edges of the headlight itself. Once aligned properly, then we will just turn the cover clockwise to install it firm and strong. We got the cover in place. With that, we are done with the replacement of both high and low beam bulb. Now suppose you want to close the hood back. Just lift the hood upwards and then take out the support bar. We put it back to its place. We'll need to bring down the hood up until the middle. And to close the hood properly, we will need to leave the hood from the middle with a slight push. If it still does not close the way we did, then you may have to push it from the top until it closes completely. If this video helps you in any way, please consider liking this video and subscribing to our channel.